But I mean, first I have to turn around, and I'm in a BMW M5, so there's only one way to turn around. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here cruising the streets in my BMW M5. My name's Eric. I'm from the Beemer Fam. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see my car and the rest of my family's M cars and high-end BMWs. I'm actually out here just cruising right now, and I wanted to help you guys out. I'm going to give you guys the 5 best hacks for you first-time BMW owners out there. This also applies to owners who may have had a BMW before as well, but it's definitely targeted towards the first-time BMW owners. But I mean, first I have to turn around, and I'm in a BMW M5, so there's only one way to turn around. So now that we've got this started, got the engine and the tires nice and warmed up, let's get right into the video. So we're about to pull up to my house. I'm gonna, park over by the rest of the Beamers. We're gonna talk about in depth the best 5 hacks that you should know for owning a BMW, especially if it's your first time owning a BMW. The first thing is, if you guys didn't know, you're actually able to set passcodes on your computer system. I have a 2002 BMW M5. I'm sure you can do this on the newer ones as well. But for this one, all you have to do is go to code, enter your code, and you can also change code as well. I have it disabled because I don't really find a use for it, at least in this car. This is where they first implemented this option. Early 2000s, all the models, E46, X5, all that kind of stuff. If it has this kind of monitor screen in it, you can definitely add your passcode. Like I said, I'm sure the newer ones have it as well. If I'm incorrect on that, please drop it in the comments and let me know. The next hack you absolutely just must know. Number 1, if you didn't know already, if you have this button right here next to your window modules, if you have this button right here, what that does is it folds up the mirrors. A lot of people don't know this actually. Most, if not all, of the new BMWs have this option. It is very useful for tight parking spaces. Maybe if you live in a city like Los Angeles or New York, if you gotta fit your car right next to somebody at the grocery store, that kind of thing. This is gonna prevent people from brushing up against your mirror or hitting your mirror. But aside from just the folding, if you click this switch, which all BMWs have, this controls your left side mirror, this controls your right side mirror. If you keep your switch on the left, and you put it into reverse, the right mirror goes down. So, and this is great because you can actually see the actual wheel. So you know exactly where your car is placed. If there's a curb right there, you're able to see exactly where you are. This is a big help. A lot of people don't know this one as well, and this is gonna help anybody parallel park and just back in the car. I've actually gotten to the point where I can back in better than I can pull in because of that handy mirror function right there. And a quick thing to note about the mirrors right there, some of you guys may be worried about, oh, what if I leave my mirrors up and I'm on the road? Don't worry about it. As soon as you hit over 25 miles an hour, those mirrors are going to swing right back down. You won't have to worry about it. So the next hack actually has to do with this light bulb right here. So when the car is locked, you see that red light flashing in there? That's indicating that your car is locked. Some of you guys have the thoughts like, oh, I left the car unlocked, or let me run outside real quick to make sure the car is locked and secure. Well, now you don't have to worry about that because BMW have implemented that little red light, so you don't even have to worry about that. Now this is great because, like I said, it's going to save on those trips, those annoying trips to the car. The next hack that is necessary to know is with the key. So from here, if you want to roll down your windows all at once, including the sunroof, all you have to do is unlock it once and then hold down that unlock button. And as you can see, all the windows are rolling down. It's the same thing to rolling back up. Unfortunately for mine though, I have to stick my key in. I don't know exactly why. If you guys know why I can't roll them up with the key, go ahead and drop a comment. But I'll go ahead and stick it back in, lock it once. You know, they go right back up. You know, the sunroof as well. So that brings me to the last but not least item on the list. You know, I don't really let too many people drive my car. I never really get a chance to sit in the passenger seat. It's kind of cool. So this hack I actually didn't know until I've been around BMWs literally my whole life. I didn't know about this until I got my M5, and you know, my Uncle Kev pointed out to me this little hack. So it's basically for if you're broke down in the dark, or you know, whatever, your car does not work at night, you know, you need some light. Well, BMW have given you a flashlight. Now it stays charged. It charges with the battery of the car. It's always lit. This one's like in great condition. It's like brand new. But it's got a nice little switch. And turn it on. Obviously you can replace the bulbs and get a brighter bulb, that kind of thing. But it's a great thing. BMW have implemented this into their cars because you always have a source of light. And if things go south, this is great because you won't be caught up in the dark with no way of seeing, you know, what may be wrong with your car. If you gotta hop in the trunk, change the battery, that kind of stuff, flashlights are necessary. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy this one. As soon as you subscribe, you'll be entered in a free giveaway. Same with Instagram. We have 2 giveaways going, so go ahead and subscribe up, follow up on Instagram. Also, grab some of our merch at shopbeemerfam.com. We really appreciate you guys supporting us. If you want to see more footage on, you know, my car, the 7 Series, the M3, the M6, 650, any of our cars, go ahead and drop a comment, and also stay subscribed. It's been your boy Eric from the Beemer Fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.